welcome back to Parker and Bryce's amazing channel. Today we're going to be doing an obstacle course, and we brought in some of our friends. Come in, Colton.
Say this is Colton.
This is Colton. Caden.
What's up?
And this is Caden. So let's jump right into this.
Hi guys, we're going to be doing an obstacle course. Yep. And I'm going to be videotaping today.
Yep.
And I'm going to be running behind them so you can see how they're doing. So you want to stay on the rocks as most of you can, but if you touch the grass, every time you touch the grass, every foot is a 1 second penalty. So, yeah. So we're gonna start with Caden.
Caden's going first.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, again? Yeah.
That's 1 second.
Okay, Caden got 32 seconds.
Add 2 on. 34.
34. But then take away 2 because of you waited for me for 2 seconds.
Oh, yeah.
So 32. Caden got 32 seconds. I don't think I'm going to run behind him anymore.
My turn.
3, 2, 1.
One second. Two seconds.
First got 36 seconds.
Okay.
With penalty.
Okay. Okay, cool. Ready?
Tell me when to go.
Go. That's 1 second, Colt. That's 2. 3. 6. 5. And he stepped there.
So 5.
Yeah.
That means it took him 38 seconds.
That's not bad.
Okay, Parker, are you running?
Yeah.
Okay, which way are you going?
Okay, we're
Let me just 3, 2, 1, go.
That's 1. Three, 2 seconds. Doesn't count. That's only 3. Keep going. You got this. You touched the grass 3 times? What did you get?
That means I think I got
You touched her.
37.
okay. That's it. That's it.
So-
for the video.
So guys, Caden got first, I got second, Grace got third, Colton got fourth. Good job everybody.
Yeah. And let's see.
And let's see you in the next video.
Last lap.